Today, I'll show you how to make a group email in Gmail. If you often send emails to the same people, creating a group can save you a lot of time. Instead of typing every email address again and again, you can set up a contact group once, then use that group name whenever you want to send a message. This is useful for family members, co-workers, clients, classmates, or any team you contact regularly. To begin, open Google Contacts in your browser. Before creating the group, make sure the people you want to include are already saved in your contacts. If they are not saved yet, add them first with their names and email addresses. Once your contacts are ready, select the people you want to include in the group. After that, click the option for Manage Labels. Then choose Create Label and type a name for your group. You can name it something simple like work team, family, school group, or anything that helps you recognize it quickly. Now open Gmail and click Compose to start a new email. In the To field, begin typing the name of the label or group you just created. Gmail should show it as a suggestion. Click on it. And Gmail will automatically add the email addresses from that group into your message. You can then write your subject and message like normal and send it. If you need to update the group later, just go back to Google Contacts and add or remove people from that label. This makes sending repeated emails much faster and helps keep everything more organized. And that's it. That's how to make a group email in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.